A lipid profile is a blood test that measures specific fats in your blood. These measurements help assess your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Total cholesterol, the sum of all cholesterol types in your blood. LDL, often called bad cholesterol. High levels can lead to plaque buildup in arteries. HDL, known as good cholesterol, it helps remove LDL from the bloodstream. Triglycerides, a type of fat that stores excess energy. Elevated levels can increase heart disease risk. VLDL, or very low density lipoprotein, transports triglycerides. High levels can contribute to arterial plaque. This test helps detect heart disease risk, monitor treatment effectiveness, and guide lifestyle changes.